This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 23 of Building Optimus Prime. This issue, we're starting on the pelvis. We apparently have finished the leg. I made a couple of tweaks to it after I finished filming last time and made it sort of fit together a little bit nicer. So yeah, we've finished with that. So we'll put that aside and start building the pelvis. After looking at Judy Wiki, that's his mum and Sam's mum. I assume it's not his dad, so yeah. Yeah, Generation 2. Back to the cartoons and the comic books. Devastator, yeah, the big wrecking thing. Construction material machine. Decepticons Series 5. Again, I'm not going to remember any of those. These are definitely after my time. Pages of this are a little bit sticky. Yes, so no memory of those at all. They're very small. They're somewhat disappointing. I prefer the bigger Transformers that you have to manipulate to get to transform rather than that just sort of fold out a little bit. So the pelvis, big chunking bit that we've got to start building. We're building this for a few weeks. I think this is just like half of the pelvis as well for where the right leg's going to attach. And everything that we've done, of course, on the right leg, we're going to have to duplicate again on the left leg at some point. So yeah, we're quite a way in, but we've done quite a bit. I suppose the legs are bigger than the rest of the body. So yeah, it feels like we're, not getting very far, but we've done a big chunk of leg. So we're getting there. Let's clear this out of the way. Let's start on the pelvis. Right, another nice, easy, self-contained construction stage. We've got a big metal chunk, which is obviously the side of the pelvis. We've got 2 screws, one of which we'll be using immediately. Let's get one of those out. There we go. Put that one aside for spare. So we need to attach this first bit. Just goes across there like that, and that is what the screw is holding in place. Get that tightened up in there. Go a bit tighter than that. I might need to, better screwdrivers for some of this. There we go. That's that in there. Then these 2 bits just attach around the outside here. The little one goes inside there like that. A couple of pins hold that in place. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. And this will go around the outside next to it. Again, 3 pins on this one. Get them lined up properly. There you go. That and that. And nice little details in there. So that is that. Another issue completed. Next time we're going to be continuing with the pelvis. We're doing this, as I say, for a few weeks. So that will be that for now. And I shall see you for the next part very, very soon. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.